Hello my loves, how you doing? If you're new here, karibu sana. I go by the name Vivian Odhiambo, aka Fashion Guru Kenya, aka Mtoto wa Homa Bay County. So today we are making the best beef stew of 2021. You can quote me on that. The ingredients are in a sufuria. I'm going to put in my onions and cooking oil. I'm going to saute those until they are almost golden brown. That is because it makes my meat a little bit browner. It's not a must for you to saute them until they're golden brown because you're going to add water to it. They're going to cook all the same. Okay. And here is my washed meat. I've already added water to it. This is the water that I'm going to use to boil my meat. So now that I've sauteed the onions enough, I'm going to pour this meat plus water in. So now I'm going to add in my freshly mashed ginger and garlic inside. Put some salt to taste. Cover them and let them boil until the water finishes. That is about 25 to 30 minutes. So as that is boiling, I'm going to prepare my tomatoes and all the ingredients I'm going to need for the meat. So I'm going to peel my tomatoes. You can blend your tomatoes, grind your tomatoes, whatever. I'm going to peel mine. When I say peeling, I mean removing the skin of the tomato. I'm not saying you remove the entire thing and you're left with nothing to cook and then you'll say it is that lady from YouTube that showed you. No, me, I told you to remove the skin, only the skin of the tomato, so that you can remain with the tomato so that you're able to cook with it. Okay, ikichadh nyanya, that is what we will be saying. Do ikichadh nyanya, just peel the skin. Now that we are done with preparing the tomatoes, we are going to move on to the other spices. So in a bowl, in a cup, I'm going to put in a 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper. Feel free to add more if you're a lover of pepper, or less if you're not a fan like that. Okay. And then I'm going to add in a little bit of turmeric. That is a 1/4 tablespoon too. Turmeric is just to give it color, just to make it look nice. Know what I'm saying? Then next, I'm going to add 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala. Let me just tell you something. Garam masala makes your food taste a different type of way, like a fancy type of way, like a tasty, delicious, tantalizing type of way. Okay, that is a 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala. And then I'm going to put in a 1/4 tablespoon of cumin. Add in some water, mix it well, and then we'll wait for when the meat is boiled and dry, and then I'll show you where we're going to put this. Okay, let's wait for the meat to boil. Almost, let's give it 2 more minutes and it will be dry. Now from here on, we are going to cook under low heat. Why? I want my meat to turn brown without burning, so I'll cook it under low heat and let everything just turn brown and nice. I hate it when my meat is white. I do not like it at all. Mission complete. Trust me, it is browner than it looks here on camera. So now we are going to add our tomatoes. Cover them and let them simmer for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, we are still cooking under low heat. Okay, usichome chakula ipendi haraka, mdogo mdogo tu, piki watu chakula tamu. Okay. Now it's time to add our spices. You remember those spices that we put in water? Yes, those ones. Now it's the time to add them in here. So you can see there is some remaining in the cup, so I'm going to add more water and just cover the meat just a little bit kidogo, just like this. Taste for salt, add if I need more. Cover for 10 minutes and then we'll be back to see the final results. And I can tell you this meat was delicious, tantalizing. Mwah. The meat is ready. It can be served with rice, spaghetti, or ugali. Here I had it with rice, I had it with spaghetti. Let me just show you how it looks in a plate. Rice that I have served with the meat, it is just for social media. The real serving, I will show you. So this is how the meat looks, and I can tell you, you can take my word for it. It was delicious. It was tantalizing. It was amazing. Okay guys, let me just show you how it looked when I had it with spaghetti the next day. Oh, I was craving boiled eggs, so I made one for myself.